Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update Jeep Grand Cherokee software. First, you'll need to identify your current Uconnect software version directly from your vehicle settings. Next, head to the official Jeep Uconnect website on your computer. Locate the specific update file for your model and download it onto a formatted USB drive. Ensure the USB drive is empty and properly formatted for the best results. Once you have the update file on your USB, park your Jeep Grand Cherokee in a safe location and turn off the engine completely. Insert the USB drive into one of your vehicle's USB ports. Turn the ignition to the ACC or RUN position without starting the engine. The Uconnect system should detect the update automatically and display on-screen prompts. Follow these carefully to initiate the installation process. After the installation completes, your Uconnect system will likely restart itself. Allow it to power down and boot up completely without interruption. Once it's fully operational, navigate to your system settings to verify that the new software version has been successfully installed. If you encounter any issues, such as a frozen screen or an update error, try restarting the vehicle or consulting your owner's manual for specific troubleshooting steps. Updating your Jeep Grand Cherokee's software brings many advantages. You'll gain access to new features, improved system stability, and enhanced overall performance. Regular updates also boost security and ensure your Uconnect system operates at its peak efficiency. Keeping your vehicle's software current is a simple yet effective way to maintain its value and enjoy the latest technology. And hey, while you're upgrading your tech, why not upgrade your car's scent? Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.